Bhagavan Shri Krishna is speaking to Arjuna that, O Arjun, those devotees who had surrendered all their positive deeds being prescribed in Vedas to me in my feet, and in such condition, those who are practicing or meditating me, those who are practicing all the positive deeds like that of dhyana, bhajana, kirtan, nam sankirtan, japa, in a state of meditating to me, meditation to me, focused on me, such devotees are very much beloved to me. I promise that I am responsible for their upliftment from the materialistic world, from all such negative things which are as obstacles in the path of salvation. I used to remove them and provide them positive salvation, the Parambad named as Sri Vaikunth.